Let's talk about image generators like the one that is built into Canva. Canva is a free resource for any educator. You can sign up for a free account, and I recommend you do so. It's a really great tool. I can go up here to my 3 lines, hit create design, and then for today's purposes, I chose whiteboard. So I already have that loaded here. And then I can come down to Magic Media, and this is where I can access the image generator. If you don't have Magic Media loaded into your toolbar, that's okay. You can come to Apps and search for it. And then you would click on it and it would add it to your toolbar. I already have it added to mine, so now I can put in my prompt. An otter, let's say playing the trumpet while surfing. Oops. Okay, and then I'm just going to hit enter. And now the AI is going to create an image based on that prompt that I gave it. It doesn't take too long. It's definitely faster than I would be if I was trying to draw that. All right, and here we go. Here is an otter surfing and playing the trumpet. I choose then the image that I like and pull it over to my whiteboard where I can then size it.